Hi, Mitchell Levy, the AHA guy from AHAthat. And I want to get you prepped for recording your section summaries. So here's what you have to think about. A book is more than just a physical piece of paper. I mean, we will create your book in hardcover, PDF, Kindle, the AHAthat format. And it's very cool. And if you're interested, we could also create an audiobook for you. And it's very cool to see it in those formats. But also, I think people being able to see you, seeing a video of you talking about your book makes a whole lot of sense. So what we're going to do is we're going to record a 30-second to 2-minute summary of your book. We're also going to be doing the 30-second to 2-minute summary of give your CTA and give each one of those sections. And so what I need you to do is read the section title, the section descriptions, the AHA messages within the sections before we meet. You're going to book an hour on my calendar. It'll take less time to go through it. What we're really looking for is I actually want to see you. I want to see you and feel you in terms of how you communicate to your audience, what each section is, what the overall book is, what the CTA is. And if you like how it all goes and you like how our experience has been, I'd love to get a video testimonial from you on how the experience has been overall. Anyhow, if you have any questions, let us know. Look forward to seeing you, and let's make some really killer videos that will also then augment you and your business. Take care. Bye.